Hi guys, here's your next video question. A lot of you have asked me, well, almost everybody asked me, does chiropractic hurt? And why do I hear a pop every time I come in and get adjusted? Well, chiropractic shouldn't hurt. Most people, when chiropractic hurts, it usually means that there's a little bit of inflammation in the tissue, or sometimes you're in a car accident. The joints are just sensitive enough as they are. So when we get in and do a little bit of work in there, it does tend to get a little bit tender. But what you can do is put a little bit of ice on it. Let us know. Sometimes massage helps. We do have some therapists in the office to alleviate some of the inflammation and the pressure. But my personal favorite is using ice because there's no damage to the liver like there are with some of the over-counter medications. But the pop in your neck, you could probably make your neck pop like this if you wanted to. But with the pop in your neck comes from the nitrogen inside of the joint just being released as we open up the joint and make the correction. It's kind of like if I took a bottle of Coke and I shake it up and I pull the top off and everything sprays everywhere. That's how the nitrogen in the joint is. When I release the pressure on the joint, or when Dr. Mike relieves the pressure on the joint, you're just hearing the gas being released. So it's safe, almost like popping your knuckles, which clinically isn't bad for you as long as you don't go out of a normal space. It's just rude. So that's the question for today. If you have any more questions on that, just shoot me an email.